Sooner or later, even the person who approves your vacation needs a little time off of their own. But what's going to happen when they're away? Who's going to handle all the leave requests? Well, in this case, a substitute can be just as good as the original. With Vacation Tracker's Substitute Approvers feature, you can now rest easy knowing that every leave request will be handled seamlessly, keeping your business operations running smoothly, no matter who's out of office. Hey, it's David from Vacation Tracker here, and today we actually have a very short product tutorial, this time taking a closer look at the Substitute Approvers feature we currently offer. Now I'm sure you can guess it from name alone, but in case you were wondering, a Substitute Approver is a temporary designation you can provide to any user within your company, and it allows them to respond to leave requests when one or multiple approvers are away. Another important note to make is that this feature is currently limited to complete plan users only, so if you're on the core plan, you will need to upgrade in order to access it. But that's enough rambling for me. Let's show you how you can make use of this feature. So first things first, as always, you're going to want to log into your Vacation Tracker account and navigate to the left-hand menu. Now, let's say I'm an approver and I want to request leave through the Vacation Tracker dashboard and make sure that someone is covering for me when I'm away. When I go to leave requests and click on request leave, and then I fill in the necessary information, as soon as I pick the dates and enter them in, you'll notice that the substitute approver option automatically appears. There's no need to go into settings to activate anything. It just happens as I'm an approver. And now I just need to pick who is going to cover for me while I'm away and respond to leave requests. And what's nice is you'll also see in brackets their current role within Vacation Tracker, so you can make sure you're picking the right person for the right job. If ever you forget what a substitute approver does, there is a very helpful tooltip, and once you hover over, it'll explain in detail what they do. So now when I click on request leave and I have selected my substitute approver, for that particular date, when I'm away, this person will be responding to any leave requests that may or may not come in. If ever you need to edit your request and change the substitute approver, you can also simply do that by navigating to your profile page and then going to the leave section and then clicking on edit. And here you can make any changes that you see fit, including changing the date as well as changing who the approver is. If your team prefers using Vacation Tracker within Slack, approvers can also select a substitute approver when they put in their leave requests. So when they click on request a leave, as part of the information they fill out, they have the option to choose a substitute approver. Similarly, if you're a company that uses Microsoft Teams and uses our Vacation Tracker bot there, you have the same options available. When an approver goes to request time off, they'll be automatically presented with the option to select a substitute approver. And now your managers can relax knowing that leave requests are in good hands. Thanks again for watching this video. I do hope you find it helpful and informative. But as always, if you have questions, comments, or just want to leave a little bit of feedback, you can do so right down below, and I'd be happy to respond to you. In addition to this video, we do have a few help desk articles on the topic of substitute approvers, so if you prefer learning about it that way, do be sure to check those out. And of course, if you have any concerns whatsoever, you can always reach out to our incredible support staff, who is always willing to help. That's going to be all for this video. Happy vacationing.